Good evening, sir. My name is Hendrix James de la Cruz, and our topic is about the trial of Jose Rizal. So, the first investigation, November 20, 1896, the preliminary investigations on Rizal began. So, Rizal as the accused appeared before Judge Advocate Colonel Francisco Olive. So, si Rizal ay naakusahan sa sedisyong rebellion at pagsasama ng illegal na samahan na La Liga Pilipina na nag-udyok umano sa mga revolusyonaryong aktibidad ng Katipunan. So si Rizal ay humarap sa investigasyon sa pamumuno ni Colonel Francisco Olive. So he was subjected to investigations a day 5. So Rizal was